Hello and welcome. So in this practice, we focus on being gentle movements to let your body relax and soften. And you'll need a block and a blanket. And if you don't have a block, use a firm pillow. So let's begin seated. Find a comfortable seat. Sitting in a chair is also an option. So take a moment to get quiet and welcome yourself. Now begin to circle your torso in one direction. So inhale as you circle forward and then exhale as you go back. And let the movement be initiated from your hips and pelvic floor. And then reverse the direction. Inhale forward, exhale back. And then come back to center and gently sway your torso from side to side. So soft, fluid movements. Now inhale, lift your arms up. And then exhale, side bend over to the right. Now stay here and breathe. Now circle the left arm down, side, up and over. And again, so nice big arm circles. And then release and come back to center and sway your torso from side to side, like your spine is seaweed in the water. And then inhale, lift your arms up. Now side bend over to the left. Stay here and breathe. Deep, full breaths. And then circle the right arm down, side, up, and over. And let your chest and your back be part of this arm circle. And release, come back to center. Now sway your torso to the right and then reach your left arm diagonally forward. And then back to center. Sway left, reach your right arm diagonally forward and back to center. Now continue with this movement, reaching side to side, and let everything be soft and fluid. And then come back to center. Now from here, come up to your hands and knees. So spread your fingers, knees, hip distance. Now go ahead and arch your back. Inhale, and then round, exhale. So you open the front of your body as you inhale, and you open the back as you exhale. Now extend your right leg back as you draw your chest bone in the opposite direction. And then draw the knee in, round your spine, drop your head. And again, inhale, reach long, and exhale, round. Continue with this movement. See if you can relax your jaw and mouth as you move. And then release. Now extend the left leg back as you draw your chest bone in the opposite direction. Round the spine, draw the knee forward. Inhale, reach. And exhale, round. And then go ahead and release and tuck your toes under and then lift up into downward facing dog. Now begin to walk your feet to the top of your mat. Feel your feet rooting down. Take hold of opposite elbows. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. And then drop your arms. Now bend the knees and roll up to stand. And then when you arrive, take a grounding breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through your mouth. Now bend your right knee and grab your foot. Now reach your left arm up. Now deep breaths here as you open your right thigh and balance. And if it's windy today, you can always go to a wall. And then release. Now let's do the other leg. So grab your left foot and then reach your right arm up. Notice how you feel on this side. Deep, deep breaths. Relax your mouth, relax your forehead. And then go ahead and release. Now reach your right arm up, and then the left arm, and then the right and left. And reach here with a sense of softness in your upper body. Now inhale, reach both arms up, lift your forehead, and then exhale, slowly fold and melt. Go ahead and bend your knees, squat, and then come to sit. And then from here, roll down to lie on your back. So knees bent and feet on the floor. Now lift your hips up and move your hips slightly over to the right. Bend the knees into your chest and let them fall over to your left. So passive twist here. Connect to your breath. Relax your belly and soften your chest and shoulders. And then lift your legs up, feet down, and then lift your hips and move your hips slightly over to the left. Bend the knees in and drop them to the right. Relax your arms and see if you can soften your jaw. Deep, deep breaths into your belly. And then lift your legs up, come back to center. And then grab your block or pillow. So you can either use the first height or the second height if you use a block. Now lift your hips and you're going to place your block or pillow under your sacrum. So make sure it's not too high up, so it's by your lower back. That's too high. So just by your sacrum. It should feel really comfortable. Close your eyes and spread your arms. Relax your belly and listen to your breath. Now press your feet down and lift the hips up and move the block or pillow to the side. Now place the soles of your feet together and drop the knees out to the sides. And then place your hands onto your lower belly. Close your eyes. And let your breath flow in and out in a natural rhythm. Soften your body and your thoughts. And bring your awareness to your forehead. And then your eyes, your mouth, both collarbones, shoulders, your arms and hands, lower belly, your hips, your thighs, lower legs, feet, soles of the feet, sacrum, lower back, middle back, and upper back, your neck, back of the head, and top of the head. Now deepen your breath. And then slowly, slowly lift your knees up. Now gently roll over to one side and then find a comfortable seat. And take a moment here and notice how you feel now. Now reach your arms out to the sides, big inhale. And then as you exhale, wrap the arms around you and drop your head. And thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.